Hi everyone, I hope you're doing good and I hope you have subscribed to our channel. If not, please go ahead and subscribe. We are just beginning our journey and your support would be very welcome. Thank you. Today we are going to talk about recurring investments for building wealth. Let's begin with power of recurring investments. It is said that oceans are built from small drops of water. It is also said that every long journey begins with a single baby step. Indeed, recurring investments, if made consistently, have the potential to build sizable wealth over a period of time. A classic example in this regard is Provident Fund account, where recurring investments are made even with a modest interest rate of around 8% per annum. Recurring investments in Provident Fund account lead to creation of a sizable corpus by the time one retires. Talking about SIPs of mutual funds and equity, in case of stock market investments, recurring savings in the form of systematic investment plans, that is SIPs of mutual fund schemes and equity SIPs, can also lead to creation of sizable wealth over a period of time. Such SIPs also lead to buying at average price and prevents lump sum purchases at high price. This increases the return on investment. When it comes to the power of compounding and CAGR, long-term recurring investments unleash the power of compounding in the long run. If CAGR of investment is good, compounding of return in the long run has the potential to create a very big maturity corpus. Let's see if top-ups and stepping up the SIP amount makes much difference. If long-term recurring investment is supplemented with periodic top-ups, the maturity amount becomes even bigger. In fact, as the income increases, the SIP amount in a mutual fund or share, if stepped up, will be quite helpful in building bigger wealth on maturity. In regards to direct versus regular option, if a long-term SIP of a mutual fund scheme is being started by an investor, investment in the direct scheme instead of regular scheme may be started. In the direct option of a mutual fund, returns are higher. In the long run, with the help of compounding, this can lead to a sizable increase in the maturity amount. Talking about modest beginning with an early start, one should not be disheartened if one's level of income is low. An early starting of investments, even if the monthly investment is modest, can still lead to a sizable maturity amount. In due course of time, wherever possible, monthly investments may be stepped up. One-time income or annual bonus, etc., if invested, can in the long run lead to building of sizable wealth. Even in those cases, the beginning was rather modest. So don't lose hope and start whenever you can. Talking about this tax rebate on investments, well, everybody is not born with a silver spoon, but long-term safe recurring investments with a good CAGR can help in building good amount of wealth over a period of time. Last but not the least, if the investments qualify for some tax rebate, such as rebate under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act, it further enhances the maturity amount. In the end, just let me add a disclaimer. Please do your own research and analysis before investing. This video is only for educational purpose. Thanks again for watching and please support us by subscribing, liking and comment if you like the content. Thank you so much. Have a good